Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with another reading which is going to be for whoever needs it. If you are in a situation in your love life where you don't know, shall you wait for your person or shall you move on? Then this reading is definitely going to help you find the answer to that. Whatever your current circumstances are right now in your situation, in your love life, and you really, feel like sometimes moving on from this person, this connection, you really don't know if that's going to be right for you or not, then this reading is definitely going to help you find the answer to that. Shall you wait or shall you move on is going to be the topic of the read. This is going to be for whoever needs it. So you can, no matter what sign you belong to, if you are dealing with a situation like that, you can check this reading. I hope it will help you have the guidance around it. So yeah, I will be adding oracle cards in this reading, but no charms will be added. So stay tuned, and while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So the two cards that I could see was the Hangman and the High Priestess, and now comes the Six of Wands. For majority of you who are checking this read, I feel like the inner intuition, the inner knowing, the inner calling is basically asking you to wait, asking you to have some patience, because things gonna be moving very swiftly towards where you want it to go. So if you are one of those who can feel that yes, you want to wait on for this person a little longer, no matter how many years you have been waiting on for them, but then there's this inner knowing, there is this inner calling, there is this voice that you hear from within that tells you wait on for me, wait on for me. Maybe you at times, hear the whisper of your persons, as well, like, where that person tells you wait on for me, I'm coming. So now if that's you, you have to wait. Don't move on. If your inner calling is asking you to wait on for this person, listen to your inner calling, no matter what the current circumstances are. Maybe you are out of touch from this person for quite some time, and you don't know if, at times you feel like it would be stupid of you to, wait on for this person, but then listen to the inner calling. It never misguides you. So if you are one of those who have been having some signs that aligns you towards your specific someone, trust me, that person is coming towards you. If you could have their flashes, in your mind's eye, like, out of nowhere, you're like sitting doing your thing, and then you have this person's flash of their, of their face or of their smile, and in your mind's eye, and you feel like, why is that so? Trust me, because yes, they are going to give you what you want. So just have patience with them. And I feel like, the change, the shift that's going to happen is going to be very quick. Like, it's going to be very random. It's going to be like, unexpected, even though you want it, but when it comes to you, it is going to be so unexpected that you would be surprised to find your miraculous blessing already in your life. So yeah, let's see more cards here. Let's see, shall you wait or move on? Let's find out the answer to that. Again, listen to your intuition. Your intuition has been very heightened around the situation that you're dealing with in your love life. You have been having a lot of signs coming in around the situation, which has been guiding you. What is the right path for you to follow around this connection? Maybe you are failing to understand the signs. Why? Because maybe you are not ready to let go of something. Maybe you are not ready to, give in to something. Maybe your fears are stopping you. Maybe your mind is blocking you. Your negative self-talk is, like, making you confused there. So there is, like, whatever it is, the answer is, the universe has been guiding you around it. Listen to your inner calling. Listen to your inner calling. That is the major answer for majority of you. The first part of the read, where I did pick up the signs, I did mention that yes, you have to wait on for that person. But now with this card here, it's gonna be like, for some of you, maybe the universe has been telling you to move on because it's a shitty situation to deal with. The universe has been guiding you. So listen to it. If it says wait, wait. If it says move on, just listen to it and move on. Let's see more cards here. The Judgment. For some of you, this connection could be karmic. For some of you, this connection that you are in right now, especially if you know that the person that you are dealing with has already moved on and they are very happy with the new person that they have in their life, it's high time that you move on. It was a karmic thing for you to deal with, and now put an end to this shitty cycle and move on. Especially for those of you who are in a third party situation and you know that the person that you are dealing with is already either married or is already either with someone else and they are happy with that person. It's high time. Your intuition, your mind has been telling you one thing, move on, and you have been not doing so. If you are so sure that yes, your person is available and yes, they have strong love, the guidance would have been like, wait on for me, wait on for me. For those of you, you would know that it's never gonna happen. Your person is happy with another person. Why don't you just move on? It's more of in that situation, you are, spoiling your own life. Don't blame the other person. If they said no to you and you told you to move on, maybe it's high time that you move on in your love life as well. Don't blame that they used you or they abused you or emotionally, mentally, physically. You are the one who allow a person to treat you a bad way, and if that's happening with you, it's very important for you to let go of this person. And if you believe that this person has done wrong to you, let God take care of that. Let them be you know let them be like, and let the karma treat them bad. For you have to pull away from that situation and move on to something better in your love life. Maybe for majority of you, the person that you are dealing with and the one you are waiting for, maybe they are very happy with the person that they are with, and you are keeping yourself stuck in a situation where you're hurt, where you are in pain, where you are in suffering. Your inner calling in that situation must have been guiding you to move on. You might have been unable to pick up that sign because you're so addicted to that one person. You're so madly in love with that person and you are not letting that go. It's very important for you to listen to your inner calling and follow that. If it says wait, if it's your ego telling you to wait and you have to get that person back in your life and this and that, stop it. It's you trying to fool yourself with nothing else but letting go, by ignoring your intuition, which has been guiding you to move on. You are basically doing wrong to yourself. Nobody else is doing the injustice to you there. Let's see more cards here. The Emperor, Seven of Pentacles, the Empress, Queen of Wands. Underneath the deck, we do have the Five of Wands, underneath that the Temperance, and underneath that we do have the King of Wands and the Devil. Now, again, for the majority of you, I feel like, for those of you who know that your person is not with another person, yes, stay on with this person. Wait on for this person. This person will be giving you what you want. Right now, still, pulling away or staying away from the person is the key to success that you want with your person. Being with this person makes you feel like they are not giving into the connection. They are using you, they are abusing you, they are taking you for granted. In actuality, that's not the case. That's how you perceive the situation. This person feels exactly the way you feel for them, but then they want you to wait on for them. Now if you ask how long, just let that part go, because it's very important for you to listen to the signs from the divine. They might have been guiding you to pull away from the person right now. Why? Because that's going to make this person miss you, think of you more, and they will take some solid step towards taking this connection to the next level with you. Especially because especially if this person has been taking the whole situation very lightly. In that situation especially, this person might be like, they are happy with you the way things are, but they are not ready to commit to you right now. Why? Because they feel like, I am getting whatever I want with you. In current situation, why do I need to commit? So if you pull away from this person, I'm saying pulling away, I'm not saying moving on to a new person or a new relationship. No, I don't suggest that at all. I do see that you and this person, for majority of you, yes, you have to wait for this person because you both are soulmates. You will come together. Now it's very important for you to stop putting the extra effort that you might have been doing in this connection. It's high time that your person take the lead and put effort into the connection, because somehow you feel bad now for putting more effort into the connection. So don't do that. Know that you are destined to be with this one person, and they will be coming forward. Don't make yourself feel bad in the situation being with this person in the current circumstances. It's very important for you to let this person take that, have the courage and take the step towards you to making this connection, official, to make this connection, to own this connection that they feel for you, rather than running away from it and hiding themselves behind the sexual part of the connection. So let this person embrace the true feelings, and they will. So move on is not the choice here. I would suggest you to wait on for this person, because they will very soon open up about their feelings for you. But yes, you have to act like an empress or emperor, if you are a man watching it, and let this person take the first step towards you now. The connection that you have with this person is, especially for those of you who are, who know that your person loves you, but then they hold themselves back because of the commitment issues, because of the current circumstances that they are dealing with right now. But yes, for those of you, if you are stuck in a situation knowing that your person is already with someone else, it's high time you move on. It's not for you. Those of you who know your person loves you and they are happy with you, the times that you spend together is very beautiful, but then there is commitment issue, then there is an issue of taking this connection to the next level, which at times make you confused, like, shall you move on or shall you wait? You shall wait. Why? Because this person really loves you. Yes, there are some fears which they will work on if you pull away from this person a little bit, so they miss you, so they think about you, so they know that they have to do something solid now. Otherwise they might lose you, because this person will not choose to lose you at all. They feel strong connection with you, as if they are already married to you. Yes, they do feel that kind of connection with you. They hide behind their sexual, or their passion, but deep down they are as committed to you as you are. They are not dating anyone. They will not do that. They will not fuck around. They will not do anything which you would not do to this person, because that's how they also feel for you. Maybe you are expressive, maybe they are not. So but yes, wait on for this person, and something beautiful is going to happen for you. Now I would suggest you to do one more thing here. Don't ever think of moving on from this connection to something better, something different, somebody new. Yes, if you want to take a break from this connection, and if you don't want to work towards fixing things up with this person as of now, you can take some time off. You can take your time off, and do your things, whatever you want to do, and keep yourself busy doing things, so this person miss you more. Once you do that, trust me, this person is going to be making a move towards you. If you want to take any action towards this person, yes, you can take physical, non-physical action towards this person. You take visualizations as your habit. You can do affirmations to make this person fall in love with you and come forward with a marriage proposal. You can visualize that as well, as much as you want, but don't take any physical action towards this person. That's going to help this person come forward towards you with something stable to offer. So don't move on. But yes, for those of you who know that the person that you are dealing with has already moved on, it's high time that you move on with your life. Don't blame the other person then that they fucked your life. You are the one who is fucking your life. That person is happy with someone else. It's high time that you move on. Let's see the oracle message now. Let's see what the oracle has to add. Sacred union. Honor and treasure your relationship, for it is truly sacred. Whatever you feel for each other is very unique. It's very different from what you might have felt with other people in your past. But yes, this person and you are bound to be together. There's a beautiful energy that you share every time you come together, and this person values that as much as you do. But yes, this person right now is not coming forward because they are kind of taking it a little lighter as compared to you. But the moment you take a step back, this person will take a step ahead towards you. So yeah, this pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonates with you, to like, subscribe and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys. Take care. Bye bye.